Dude, I found something older. I just spotted something much older than the Mesa Verde dwellings.
What?
Come see if it's got a ringtone.
No way. No way. Connie, we'll be home. Oh my God.
There are kids alive today, Kurt, that have never seen a phone book.
Really?
Hey, kids, younger Z generation, this is what's called the Yellow Pages. This is actually a phone book, but there's a section that's called the Yellow Pages. Dude, what's the date on this book? There's a date somewhere on it.
Yeah, there's a date.
Look at that, all the people's numbers. See if you're in there.
I'm not in there, bud.
Dude, is that not the craziest thing ever?
That is.
But look down there. Look at the one down there. There's another phone book. What? The Yellow Pages, guys. That's what I was talking about. These are the Yellow Pages. They were ads. Before there was the internet, you went to the Yellow Pages. And the Yellow Pages were all strictly ads. In the Yellow Pages. You didn't go to your Google. You didn't go to your Google and ask a question. You went to the Yellow Pages. Ain't that right?
That's right. That's right.
This is what's called a phone booth.
Yeah.
This is older than the dwellings. Saw it here first on Park ADV, boys, girls. Right? Did you take a picture of me at the phone? Oh, we always have to take a picture of us on the phone. I'll take one of you too. But you got to really act like you're on the phone. Okay, guys, I'm going to put you down. Come on, man, you got to get on the phone. Don't you want a picture on the phone?
Oh, okay. I'll take a picture of it.
I think your wife would find it comical.
Hello. Hello. Yeah. How are you doing? You're getting arrested.
We'll get arrested.